Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today is a very special day. I just, like an hour ago, received this package. This is a swap doll. This is the doll I received from my partner, who I do not know yet. It's a secret Santa kind of a swap. This was a master swap, so we had the complete creative freedom to create whatever we wanted, and partners were assigned after everybody's doll was finished. So, if you want to see what I made for this doll, I will put a link in the upper right corner where you can watch that video. So, let's get to it. I already opened the tabs, but I didn't do anything else. The box came like a little bit damaged, so I do hope it didn't affect anything important. Wow! We have an axe, a doll-sized axe. And there's a letter that says hello. Well, hello, you back. Okay, what do we have here? Oh my god, we have a nice painting. Halloween is coming, so I will definitely put this somewhere in our house where we are planning on doing our annual Halloween party for our friends. So this will be extra nice. And then we have this cool axe. It has little trinkets. Oh. The ring light is making me slightly blind. So, what do we have here? We have a letter. Oh, it's from Sarah. Sarahemakesart is her Instagram. I hope you like her as much as I liked working on her. Enjoy the extras too. I will. I love extras. Yeah. Go. Oh, we have tons of like bags, which was good because there was nothing in this corner that got bumped. So, oh, we have pretty ribbon, glitter hearts, and then we have fabric. Ooh, black fabric is always so handy, very handy. And then we have like purple lace, and purple is one of my favorite colors. I love to make purple dolls. And then we have, this is yarn. Yeah, we have 2 balls of green yarn, which makes such good hair for somebody. And we're going to use that. Then we have a piece of lace. I have a lace hoarding problem, so this will go to my stash. What is this? Witchcrafts, fortune telling and astrology. Tiny treasures. Mini embellishments. And these are Halloween themed. Oh my god. So adorable, like little books. Little books. And then we have a jar of miscellaneous beads and stars, and also trinkets. And then we have the doll. Oh my god. Put that aside. Abby. And I really do like Abbies. People don't use them as much, which I think is a shame, because she is just so gorgeous. And for... Look! My god, she has a mohawk! She's like a real warrior princess. I'm not sure that I tell you the theme of this swap, but the theme for this swap was Ren Fair, which is a Renaissance festival. It usually is held, or it's like an American thing. There is, like, if they do those type of events in Europe, they are most commonly like Middle Ages or something like Iron Age, like Viking stuff like that. In Ren Fair, you can see all sorts of like fantasy creatures as well. So we have had a wonderful mixture of like historical all outfits and hairdos, and then we have more like fantasy elements. Like this doll is more fantasy, and I really like her. She's adorable. Oh, she has little fangs and pants and fur detail, and then we have her little axe over here. Yeah. Thank you so much, Sarah. I just absolutely adore her. She is so fantastic. And I might have to make her a companion, because I have been thinking about making a doll sort of like this, like a warrior princess. She might get a partner in crime. Yeah. I'm gonna give you guys a close-up if I can. Yeah, it's focusing. Look at her face. And those tiny eyelashes. And her ears. Oh my god, I didn't see that. Look at her ears. And then it's her armor. And then a little jar of poison. And then we have her boots. Yeah, and this lovely handmade axe that goes with her. She is adorable. Giving you guys a closer look of everything I got from her. There's the ribbon and yarn and fabric and a lovely letter, and here's the doll and the picture. And these I absolutely adore. Look how cute. I'm freaking out. I need to make a doll to go with each one of those. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't yet done that. Like this video and tell me what you think about her. Do you like her? Do you not? And I will see you guys next time. Bye!